Hello everyone. So today in Beechmount Surestart we are going to be making salto. And the salto is great because the ingredients are cheap and you may find them in your home already. And with the salto you can heat up once it's done, and you can make a Christmas decoration, and it's there for forever. So every year that you bring out your decorations, you're bringing out something from your child in 2020 that was related.
Hi everybody, it's Carol from Beechmount Surestart here. I'm going to show you the ingredients, okay? So what we need to make our salto is salt, flour, a cup of water and some food colouring, okay? So our main ingredient is the flour. So we actually need 2 cups of flour. 1, 2, okay? And you can get the kids to feel that and just the texture of it, okay?
So
then we're
Go ahead.
So just as Carl said, as Carl's pouring it in, she's concentrating very hard on her ingredients. If you feel it, give your children the new words. Some children can have, is that soft, you know, it's like snow, oh my goodness, it's like Christmas morning, you know, all of that. So so you're introducing new language as well, maybe to the younger ones that haven't seen snow or felt what snow's like. This is an indication of what it would be like. And then Carl, what are you going to, and pour?
Yes.
You know, you're giving the kids new words.
Yeah, we're going to pour the salt into the cup and we're going to add it too. So it's
there we go.
1 cup.
So that's gonna,
Oh,
that's like the
salt.
snowman, look.
Yeah. And it's a wee bit more rough than what the nice
is.
soft flour's
Yeah,
like,
and
Judith.
that's a bit
Yeah.
rough on your hands now, so it's not
Yeah.
as soft.
No. The next thing we're going to add is our water. So we're going to pour the water in. Oh, you hear that noise?
Oh, and
Yes.
it's like a big puddle. A
Yeah.
big white puddle.
And then we're going to add food colouring with yellow, green or red. Well, we add the red since it's nice Christmassy colour. So we're going.
So this is bringing in your child's colours, textures, also sensory processing. Remember too, all
Yeah.
this feeling's going straight to the brain and setting off them neurons, and the children are loving it. The parents, not so much.
Oh, here.
Blue.
It is blue, yeah. Sorry. We'll do the green one.
Yep.
Thought that was red, but it's green. Green for Christmas. Okay, and I have some nice
So,
wee gloves here.
Carl has some gloves.
Yeah.
Judith doesn't usually do this, but I'm going for it.
Yeah.
I'm being brave today, so I hope the parents will be as brave as me. And you just mix it.
Oh, look at that.
And it's just squirting out everywhere.
Brilliant.
Okay.
Now, if you felt it was too runny, Judith, could
Yeah.
you add more flour
You
to
could
it?
indeed. So you just keep putting the flour in there until there's a wee bit better texture.
Okay.
So
there you
some
go.
more lovely snow. Thank you.
Okay.
And we're just going to pull that round our bowl. Now what you'll do is, really you'll need your dough for about 10 minutes, okay? So to get it a nice texture. We could be here for about 20 minutes trying to get this, but we do not have the time to do that. So if you just keep going at it until, Carl, could you put some more on for me, please?
Yeah.
Until it's a nice ball, a nice shape of a ball.
Yeah.
Wee bit more there.
There you
Thank
go.
you so much. Okay, so you just keep kneading it round. All right. Round and round, and this is where you can do a wee song. Round and round the garden. Round and round the garden. I lost my
Teddy bear.
One
Step,
step,
2 step,
tickly under there. Or you could just do a Christmas song, which would be 1,000 times better, because I'm jingling here. So an old one's jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Whoa! Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride on a one-horse open sleigh. Hey, woo!
Oh, look at
and
that.
there we
Now,
go.
that looks fantastic.
So that's just kind of like what your Play-Doh should look like, alright? Now you can add colour into this, and you can also add smell, so you can add like cinnamon, lavender, strawberries, orange, anything, as long as there's no allergies, okay? Now once you've got that done, I'm going to pass you over to our beautiful Brenda, because we will put this out and Brenda will show you what you can make with it with your hands and your feet, and we'll tell you how long you have to bake that for in the oven. All right. There's our beautiful Brenda.
Hi everyone, so this is the finished product. After the dough has been baked in the oven, your result will look like this. So this is my work colleague's hand, and what I have done is just put a bit of ribbon on. So my intentions are to give it back to my work colleague as a gift for Christmas, for her Christmas tree. What I have done, I have a few markers, very little resource needed here. Few markers, paint green, paint red, and I only chose them because they're Christmassy colours. Small cup of water and a couple of markers. But a few pencils, whatever you like to decorate this. So I've done my wee nails pink. So just did a wee hand, and I've marked it 2020. I'm going to give that to my work colleague to hang on her tree. She can have that forever and ever. It's just a wee idea of what your finished product will look like, and you can glaze it. You can do whatever you like with it, whatever product you think's better. This is my work colleague's child's foot. So I've just went with the Christmassy colours and a Christmassy thing, our reds and greens, and dated it 2020. You can put a wee hole and you can keep this, or maybe use it as a wee plate. Put it out for Santa for the reindeer food. Do whatever you like. If you make a steeper foot, you can use that as a wee plate for Christmas Eve and have it forever and ever. So easy, so cheap to make, people. This flour, dough, everything like that's left in your cupboard. If you're anything like me, I buy flour for Pancake Tuesday and throw it out. Use it up. Use it as an activity. So I'm going to continue decorating my wee plates and hand you back to one of the girls who will tell you how long this bakes in the oven. Happy Christmas, people.
So, how long does it bake in the oven? So it bakes in the oven, preheat the oven, at 120 degrees. Is that right?
Yeah.
And then you'll let it bake for about 2 hours until it's hard, because you don't want it falling apart, because then the children will be disappointed. Allow it to completely cool down, and then paint and decorate. With the oven, guys, it's obviously adult led, just for safety, health and safety reasons. Don't let the child go near it until...
Brenda's just having the wee go before it goes in the oven. This is a wee century need of hers. I was going to put my hand on it, but now I'm thinking put it back. Just check.
So, yes, so
it's a lovely feeling.
All adult, okay? All adult, or all child led, until the oven part comes in. And then it's all adult led, okay? Stay safe, and Merry Christmas from Beechmount Surestart.